About patriotism, with certain knowledge, so that students or everyone has to be disciplined, not to be like other people behave. The mindset change, and because now these are new students at this school, they need that topic of patriotism so they can also climatize with the school. Not only this patriotism is all countrywide done, even individuals, and we're going to do apart from school, we're going to meet even other stakeholders along with Tambala districts to participate. The issue why it's being done, now you see, for this last 2 years, because of Madame Sekou, what she has done, you see there is a bit, we have the good, we have not been having too much demonstrations in Kampala, and you've seen good relationship with the Wananchis, how to demonstrate. Even if you, like Mzee said when he was in Arusha, Tanzania, he said, yeah, he has been approached by someone, most of the Gen Zs from Tanzania, from Kenya, came here to Uganda and approached the president. They are good at organizing demonstrations. But some of them who are here in Uganda, the parties met them and said, no, why can't you meet the president and talk to him? So after talking to Mzee, the president, asked them, now why are you going to demonstrate over what? They said over corruption, I think if you saw it on when he was at Arusha. So that's how politics is. We can't allow people to destroy our country because of things which are not something which are not has reasons to answer. Yeah.
And what is your question about, especially the young JKCs you are talking about? Yeah. And because some of the things shared online are watched by foreigners, and perhaps they may not come into the country thinking the country is secure. And what should be done for some of these kind of people? What's your question to them? And how better can they help?
Now, because of these programs, that's how we can restrict young people or Gen Zs to start demonstrations. Now, the government is doing a lot of things. So that maybe in Uganda, Gen Zs, their issue is about corruption. True, we might have a corruption, but it starts from you. Fighting corruption starts from yourself. It doesn't need that you go and burn a road or you destroy people's property. That shows that you are patriotic. No. This is from corruption. It means you are patriotic. That's how we have to tackle the Gen Zs. And the Gen Zs have to know the peer influence of internet. You can't follow each and every thing on the internet. Pick what can build your sense and your future. Yes, we have a law, but you know Uganda is a peaceful country. And you have a good administrator who is our HE, the judge. We call him Jaja. As we said, Uganda says Wachisa. But if we have a law of computer misuse, no one can go. Once they get you using a computer misuse, the law is there. But because we have Jaja who already say no, maybe it was a mistake, let us leave him. That's how we see the country is moving. But my issue is, I want to emphasize all young people who are using social media, please use it for the best of your knowledge. And when you are getting something from it, but not misuse it.